Hi friends, this is Vahi Vijay Simha, Senior Software Engineer in the YouTube. Today I am going to explain cloud computing continuation session what I have explained earlier. So before going to this cloud computing session, I want to give you some awareness. So I want to ask you some questions. What do you mean by cloud technology? So what are the types of cloud and what are the benefits of cloud services? What are the examples of cloud computing? So, for all above questionnaires and questions, here are the answers. So, now directly I am jumping to cloud computing. As I told in the earlier session, cloud computing is a delivery of computer services, subnet, virtual machine, and resource allocation. So, in layman terms, instead of storing data in pen drive and external storages, directly you are storing in the internet. For that purpose, you are using the cloud computing. So here I am directly jumping to the benefits of cloud computing. So benefits are software as a service. You are developing a software in order to provide a software as a service. So and infrastructure as a service, here you need a virtual machine and subnet in order to deploy and in order to work on the virtual machines. And platform as a service is nothing but you need a platform, Unix platform, Windows platform, Macintosh platform. These are all the platforms you are going to apply cloud implementation. So now I am directly coming to one of the important features in continuation session cloud computing is cloud computing dashboard. In dashboard we have several contents called like subnet, virtual machines, Azure Active Directory, Azure PowerShell, and these are the few contents you have. So you have to monitor the health and wealth of 24 bar 7 all Azure cloud applications in order to maintain the access over the internet. That is the main purpose of Azure dashboard. So now I am coming to the benefits of cloud computing. With the help of cloud computing, it will reduce the cost of documents and also cost of business application. And also one important benefit is uh, directly you can access distributed applications and distributed applications over the internet. That is the main purpose of cloud computing. Cloud computing is used for applying so many distributed internet cross applications in order to give a good performance to the cloud application. So now I am coming to the examples of cloud computing: Dropbox, Gmail, and Radarbox. These are the examples. Also Facebook, Instagram. These are the examples of cloud computing. So now I am winding up the session here, the continuation of cloud computing. I will explain the next topics in the next continuation session. So bye for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much.